Today, let's talk about something that builds up on our teeth, dental plaque and tartar, and also about a simple mouthwash that you can make at home. The mouth contains millions of bacteria. These bacteria can protect themselves by forming something called a biofilm. You can think of a biofilm as a small protective house where bacteria live and survive. Biofilms are found almost everywhere, especially in places where there is water. If you pick up a wet stone from a river, it can feel slippery. One reason for this is the biofilm covering the surface of the stone. The same kind of biofilm can also develop inside your mouth. When there is too much bacterial buildup in the mouth, it can contribute to bad breath, plaque, gum irritation, and bleeding gums. When plaque becomes hard, it turns into tartar, which usually needs professional dental cleaning. One ingredient often discussed for oral care is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. When bacteria in dental plaque break down sugars, they can produce acids. These acids lower the pH inside the mouth and can contribute to tooth enamel damage and cavities over time. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can help neutralize acids in the mouth and may help reduce plaque when used appropriately as part of normal oral hygiene. Another ingredient commonly discussed for mouth rinsing is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has antibacterial properties and is also naturally produced in small amounts by the body. However, concentration matters. Strong or frequent hydrogen peroxide rinsing can irritate the gums and the tissues inside the mouth. So it should never be swallowed, and homemade mixtures should not be considered a replacement for professional dental care. The most important thing is still basic oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, clean between your teeth, reduce frequent sugary foods and drinks, and visit a dentist when you have persistent bleeding gums, pain, bad breath, or tartar buildup. There are also several foods and natural ingredients that are often studied for their antimicrobial properties, including cloves, oregano, rosemary, turmeric, and cinnamon. But these should be viewed as supportive dietary ingredients, not as proven cures for dental plaque or tartar. Vitamin K2 and vitamin D3 are also being studied for their role in calcium metabolism and bone health. But more research is needed before claiming that they can remove dental tartar. So, if you want to protect your teeth and gums, focus on the basics. Good brushing, flossing or interdental cleaning, a healthy diet, less sugar, and regular dental checkups. And remember, once plaque has hardened into tartar, a mouthwash cannot simply dissolve it away. Professional cleaning may be necessary. Take care of your teeth, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.